Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by making a quick backup copy so you can undo anything. This protects your work. Next, turn on formatting marks so you see spaces, tabs, and paragraph breaks. This reveals the actual characters causing gaps. Once done, scan visually for extra paragraph symbols or repeated spaces between words. Make sure to note whether the extra space is within a paragraph, between paragraphs, or caused by tabs or table cells. That diagnosis decides the next action. You now apply targeted fixes. Open Find and Replace to collapse double spaces by searching two spaces and replacing with one. Repeat until none remain. Then replace double paragraph marks, PP, with a single P to remove blank paragraphs. If tabs or manual breaks cause gaps, search T or L and replace or delete as needed. For spacing between paragraphs caused by styles, adjust paragraph spacing and line spacing in the Home or Layout tab. You finish by reviewing the document with the Styles pane or Reveal formatting to catch stubborn differences. Inconsistent styles often create unexpected gaps. If tables are the culprit, either reduce cell padding or convert the table to text then reformat. This removes hidden cell spacing. Once done, save a cleaned copy. If something goes wrong, revert to your backup and repeat the steps one at a time so you can identify which change fixed or broke the layout. This prevents cascading problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.